conveniently located right above the bathtub. So I got a glimpse of it yesterday from the attic, and it's a pretty decent size. I didn't really see it clearly, but I did see a big black mass of some sort, which is probably it. Okay, here it goes. Your dust. I'm just gonna hold it right there. Okay. Might be a bit so far. Oh, here, I have a light. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got hold of the beam here too. Okay. Like right at their entrance. So there's the bees. Didn't see the queen. Looked and looked, and hope she's in there. Most of the bees are definitely in there, so fingers crossed. We'll know in a day or two. That's it for now. I might do a follow-up. The end.